Ani Baba, you know, we play music. Una welcome. Welcome. Una welcome to the show today. Thank you. Say thank you. I be the expert say music will fair play. Oh. Next thing, just show every on top of me. Why people like this? Anyway, how everybody take this? You say I'm alone today. Don't worry, they happen sometimes. How everybody take this? Hope everybody sleep very well. Hope everybody did very casual and okay. Now welcome on top of the PADI. Just the PADI show today. The PADI show because the other PADI is an absentia. But any which way, you are welcome. All right. And then we'll play music now Friday. We must play music. Ada and Co behind. Any which way. Welcome to the show and God bless you. We'll go on break right now. By the time we come back from the break, we'll launch Enter every Friday. We thank God. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now Friday don't reach. Not be everybody make come to see Friday. So you just be very, very grateful on your own side. Say you see Friday. Some people die for this week. Some people lost. Some people they shoot them by mistake. But some of us we see Friday. We thank God. All right, break sharply. Shokoloko mango she, plenty things and everything. Moakada, that's the bicycle we take they come the show these days, you understand? So most of the time, see this bicycle here, with the thief and they come, just in case. I see this spot for this place like this already for back. They break her yesterday, so today don't arrange and that one come. You get one guy with the list thief every time. Ani Baba, you know. Just because you don't get flowers for house, you always try to, Please, while they red, please, I'm looking burnt. Biko. All right, so today we'll talk about gratitude. Something very, very important why I believe, say, everybody when they watch a show like this, got to learn to start to do. You understand? So many times, most of us, they always complain about things that when they happen for our life, you know. If you hear some people that will tell you, say, man, this one, they work for me. My office, things don't need to happen. You know, some will tell you, say, different complaints. People can complain for the world, but most times we need to think about the things and when they happen right to our life. I mean, the fact say if you watch the show like this now, thank God. The fact say if you hear what you even talk, thank God. The fact say you wake up from your sleep, you carry your sense correct. I mean, you wear clothes, you no carry your trouser put for head, you no carry your shoe put for hand. I mean, it means say your sense complete. Thank God, because some people they don't cut rope. You understand me? So attitude of gratitude, learning to say thank you, they're very, very important. The water where they see they drink, some people know they see them somewhere. The food where they see they chop, some people know they see them to chop. You understand? So, I mean, like the song where they sing that time when we small. Some have food but cannot eat. Some can eat but have no food. We have food and we can eat. Glory be to you, O Lord. You understand? Always they thank God for the little things and where it is to be little things. Because some people, that same thing where you get, some people, they pray to get them. All right? Now, some people prayer points be that, no matter what you think. All right? If you get fine face, thank God for your fine face. Okay? If you don't get body odor, it smell nice. Thank God for your smelling nice. Because some people, they don't bath. They don't use acid, do everything. It not still work. They emit odorism. Okay? So please, on your own side, just look for one thing right now to say thank you for. I mean, thank you. Baba, thank you for Nigeria. Thank you for my family. Thank you for the air where they breathe. Thank you for the shoe where I see wear. Thank you for the leg where I get. Thank you for my hands, my fingers. Thank you for my friends. Thank you for my relationships. Thank you for my career. Thank you for my job. Thank you for my education. They thank God for so many things, and you go see better things going to happen for your front. All right, so learn to always say thank you. It is very, very important. Say you must always learn to appreciate God for everything, or just saying thank you to people around you. All right, just that attitude of gratitude will take you to another level for your life. All right, so right now we just get some kind of points for front here to help you now, understand the reasons and why you go need to always be grateful. Reasons why you go always need to be grateful. And the first reason, now because the effect of gratitude will last longer than you think. I go explain. The effect of gratitude, it will always last longer than you think. Just one thank you to somebody, it gets lasting feeling than when you tell that person, say the person not try. You understand? If most of the time you always tell the person, say thank you, thank you, thank you, you get the feeling, that joyous feeling where you always give inside body. All right? So, and that's one of the reasons why you go need to be grateful, because the effect for your body or for the body of that person where they say thank you to, it will last longer than you go ever think. And it will always bring good things for front. All right? If you see when they hail king, they tell king some kind things. Say, Baba Oshe, Baba Oshe. The king won't do more. Okay? So that's one of the effects of gratitude. Saying thank you will always get better feeling for inside body. And when you say thank you, these are part of the reason for saying thank you. Most of the time, it go always, make person where they help you, they happy. Understand? So on the other side, ingratitude will be the opposite side of gratitude, go always upset the helper. For example, somebody help you do one small thing. It go shock you, say, some people, they will know they help, when they see person, when they even tell them, hi, hello. Some people, they will not even get friends. Just for your friends alone, say thank you for being my friend sometimes. You understand? Because some people, they will not get the friendship. Some people, they will not even get anybody to even tell them, I love you. Some people don't get somebody to check up on them. All right? Just say you get helpers for your life, where they will just help make your life complete. Say thank you, and they will feel good about it, and the friendship continues. All right? So gratitude will always, make your helper feel very good and not upset your helper. Another reason why you need to be very grateful now, because gratitude will always open more doors for front, for future for you. And ingratitude will always cause future blessings to be held back. Meaning, if you say thank you very, very often, more doors will be opened for you, because gratitude get that particular principle. You understand? Having an attitude of gratitude will always open doors for you. Okay? But if you get ingratitude, that means say they grateful for some things that when you do for your life, it could stop some kind of future blessing when it's supposed to happen for you, because they look you naturally as person way, they thankful for anything, and that one feel bring some kind of bad luck for front. But just because you did very grateful about things that when they happen for your life, more and better doors go they open for front. All right? So other points and another reason why you need to be very, very grateful, and because you get higher chance of getting good opportunities. All right? Some people, they thank person for anything. All right? I don't want to kind of go spiritual level and all that, say thanking God and all, but just even thanking people and circumstances around you, they're very important. So it always creates higher chance of you getting better opportunities. Like I talked before, when they give gratitude, when they say thank you, thank you, thank you, better doors go open. For example, if you dey office where things they know they too pure, and you always complain, that negative energy where you always give out. And by complaining, things go dey worse. Okay? Now, if you dey grateful about some things that way they happen, because you don't get how anything fit bad 100%. You still get the good out of that bad. Some kind good is still there from that particular situation. Now, ignore the bad side, ignore the negative side. And if now just 2% of good day, just be very grateful about that 2% we day. And naturally, you go see that 2% begin to increase. Everything about life now perspective, everything about life now, perception. Where you decide to sit down on top of the whole thing, then the thing will take big, all right? And the more of that thing will be big, the big. Okay, so, getting higher chance of opportunities, opportunities will be open, will come your way, doors will be open for you just because you dey grateful. All right? So they very, very important. Say you must learn to be grateful. Some people say the country not good. It no go dey good for you if you continue to talk like that. All right? But if you dey on the positive side, say Nigeria will be good. It is well with this country. You go find out, say for your own life, things go come dey happen well. All right? So maintain an attitude of gratitude, and these are the reasons then why you go need to be grateful as a person. For me, I dey grateful for all of you now they watch the show like this. It dey very, very important to me, say, when they watch the show, because without you, there is no me. Without you, there's no PADI. There's no me. There's not my Owa. All right? So thank you for being our watchee. All right? So thank you very much. So we'll go on break right now. By the time we come back from this break, we'll tell you some more things that way you go need to learn, how you go need to some things what you're going to do on a good day to be grateful. All right? So we'll come back after this break. We'll continue on top of the gist. All right, so now welcome back, and welcome back. So like I talked before, about gratitude, very, very important, say, you must live life of gratitude, all right? And some people, they tell me now, say, okay, I don't know how to take the day grateful, all right? Make I'll tell you some few points before we end the show today, all right? Every day, make you try as much as possible to think about 3 good things that will happen to you. On a good day, you know, if you go through your day and at least 1, 2, or 3 things not happen to you, way good. All right, so for every day, at least mention about 3 good things when we happen to you and just be grateful for them. All right, if it be one hello person tell you, if it be money where they give you, it can be anything. Just say thank you for those 3, things that way happen to you throughout that particular day. Another thing, say thank you to everyone with they around you, even those with they under yourself. Okay, try. And then lastly, thank yourself too. Learn to always say thank you to even your own self. All right. So right now, we'll run go for laugh the laugh. By the time we come back, we'll go round up the show. Laugh the laugh. I try to make a no laugh, but it just still hook me. Because I don't know if it be sickness, and person go they laugh. At the same time, maybe she drink alcohol before the thing starts. It can be anything. But make I hold my laughter. But anyway. All right, so guys, jam us on top every social media platform at Wazobia TV NG. Jam me on top Twitter at Funny Ogbolo. And at Wazobia PADI, 9 be the full thing for the whole show. And at Mayowa Ekpo on top Twitter. On top Instagram at Ogbolo, at Mayowa Ekpo on top Instagram as well. All right, we get one more video for people to flex right before we come out on top of the show. Let's see. Inventions are going on, all right? So you says try to see what you feel add to this society and to this world to make it a better place, all right? So like I talked earlier, at Wazobia PADI on top Twitter, and of course at Wazobia TV NG on top Facebook and every other platform, all right? So God bless you. Get better weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Myself and Mayowa will be here to make sure we'll give you the best, all right? So have a grateful weekend. Have a grateful life. Have a grateful every, all right? So God bless you. See you on Monday.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.